Isa na namang sulit na property ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kaya naman, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. For as low as 14,000, meron ka ng lot area na 54 square meters. Kaya naman may provision ka for one carport. Ang maganda nga dito ay included na upon turnover ang ating tile sa ground floor, primary paint at tile kitchen sink. As you can see, may enough space tayo for living, dining at kitchen area. At meron ka pang space dito sa ating service area na pwede mong gawing extension ng inyong kitchen for future home expansion, or you can use it as your laundry area. We still have end and corner units, kaya naman i-take advantage na natin ang introductory price. Located nga lang ito sa 13 Martires, Cavite at very accessible ito sa lahat. Dahil few minutes drive lang tayo sa mall, worship area, market, schools, hospitals at marami pang iba. Alam mo ba na ang floor area nito ay 71 square meters, kaya naman napaka-spacious ng ating second floor. Provision nga ito for 3 bedrooms guys, at ang maganda dito ay may toilet and bath pa tayo dito sa second floor. Mataas na rin ang ating bubong at may heat insulation na, kaya naman ang kulang na lang dito sa ating second floor ay ceiling, tiles at room partition. At meron pa tayong pa-mini balcony, kaya naman kung interested ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So,